Good morning, guys, and welcome to a new week here. I will say, guys, it's looking a little bit scary this morning. You know, a lot of stocks were starting to gap down a little bit, especially when you go look at the bigger ones in the market like the SPY. Oh, hang on here. What did I just do? Actually, put a secondary SPY candle on here. But here's the SPY. Had a big gap down actually to 402, right down to our next support, and then we started bouncing right here. So, you know, I'm really kind of waiting here for a possible move down maybe today, heading into this big FOMC event. I will see it's J Powell week, and Cornish actually already beat me to it. Happy Big Daddy J Powell week. There we go. Oh my gosh. He even put some balloons. There we go. It's going to be a party with Powell here on Wednesday. But good morning, Jamie, Whitney, Marty, Corbin, Purdy, Bill, Warren, Cornish, and Nathan. Thank you all for joining up today. Seriously, I appreciate you guys. But wow, I mean, what a big gap down, you know? SPY gap down, Apple gap down, Microsoft gap down, Boeing gap down. The only thing that didn't really gap down was Tesla. Tesla didn't really gap down too much, and they're honestly running right back up. They're like right around resistance again right here, so we're going to have to keep our eyes on this. I have my free day trade on this one below 177.50. Looks like that's where we hit right at open before moving up. So just kind of watching for a little drop down below there. That's going to be a big resistance. But there is a lot of big stuff going on this week, guys. I know the biggest thing that we're going to have to be talking about is obviously going to be that big FOMC event. And we will go over that one a little bit more tomorrow, of course, because, you know, obviously, it's coming out the next day, but yeah, tomorrow is going to be a big influential day in the stock market. Even if we look at earnings, you know, tomorrow we're going to have AMD, Snapchat. Before open, we have Exxon, UPS, GM, Pfizer, Caterpillar, McDonald's, Spotify, Phillips 66, Marathon Petroleum. It's just like we have so many reporting right there. But even like Wednesday and Thursday you might even count those as being even better. Especially Thursday with Amazon, Apple, Google, Ford, Qualcomm. Like, Jesus, like that's actually almost too many big companies. I don't think I could name enough there. Hey, what's up, Peter? Let me know what stock you're watching today or stocks. Oh, wow. Tesla just fell under my day trading level for a second there at 177.50. Now moving back up. Be nice to see a little bit more confirmation under there. See the 1 minute on the... Ooh. Yeah, the 1 minute, when you zoom in, looks a lot more scary than that 5 minute did zoomed out, I'll tell you that. I'll tell you what, use the 1 minute to buy the positions, and then switch over to 5. That's what I would... I'll tell you this, I've seen the 1 minute, the swings just look so crazy, but then whenever you go out to a 5 and you zoom out, it's like, oh, it's not even nuts at all. Not even a smidge of movement. But right here, it looks like a lot. Hey, what's going on, Fiva? Hopefully you're having a great day. Fiva's Motorsports. I gotta check out some of those videos, man. It's been a little while since I've, you know, seen them. Purdy says my TQQQ puts are looking good. Nice. TQQQ. Yeah, they are. Wow, that was a big gap down today for you. Big gap down. Yeah, SQQQ's popping back up a little too. Of course. Yeah, not bad. SoFi, SOFI. SoFi running up to highs of like $6.90. They actually have had a huge jump today. What happened with them? Wow, let's see. Oh, they reported earnings. Oh, they must have... Oh, that's right. They were like the only report here. Yeah, look at this. They were like the only report this morning besides Phillips, pretty much, so... GE Healthcare, that's funny. Spin off of GE. I guess that's their healthcare division, obviously. But yeah, that's pretty big though. They reported this morning. That's right. I forgot they were like the only stock reporting on today. Well, I was gonna say on Monday, but guess that's today now. All right, Peloton. Nice break of the high a day. Hopefully it keeps running up. Let's go Peloton. Kraft Heinz is moving back. Good old ketchup for Cornish. That's nice. Gotta look at ketchup for you, Cornish. And pumpkin spice. Can't forget about that. Cornish, I hope you caught that from last night's video. I was talking about Starbucks and I was like, as they call pumpkin spice. It's funny. Yeah, gotta love the pumpkin spice, man. Those pumpkin spice lattes are awesome. No, I'm just kidding. Hopefully it helps their stock go up, though. I personally don't even like the pumpkin spice, guys. I don't even like it. But hey, let's go. Hopefully it drives us in, drives the buyers in. I can't believe how much hype is associated around that pumpkin spice. Like, man, it goes viral every year. It's kind of like, you know what actually kind of reminds me of like the McRib a little. I'll give it that. A little bit like the McRib. Yeah, that daily of the SPY still looks solid. I mean, we're up above the key trend line. We're holding 400. Holding 400 here over the next couple days will be pretty big in my eyes. I think that will be a pretty big feat to have that happen. But it doesn't really matter because the FOMC can make us gap down right through it or fly up off of it. You know, like these resistances aren't going to matter too much with that because there'll be a lot of volatility coming in. Peter, your thing in Discord had me laughing just now. Oh, Kramer said that he said Wednesday you could let the Bulls party on. Uh-oh. I'm actually going to screenshot this for just for reference here. Screenshot saved to my desktop as Kramer proof. There we go. Kramer proof saved to my desktop. Love it. Kramer proof. That's awesome. Good old Kramer. What about Kathy? You know, is short Jim out or S Jim? No. I know ARKS or SARK. Is it SARK? I think it's SR. Yeah. Yep, that's it. Gotta be SR. Wow, ARKK has actually been moving up this month, guys, just like a lot of the growth stocks have. Not too bad on ARKKs. Their chart actually looks like Zoom, which is funny. Looks kind of, yeah, it looks like a fucking Zoom chart. That's got me laughing. Zoom. Oh my gosh. I posted up a little thing of Sal from the what is that from? Sal from Impractical Jokers, that's what it is. Man, I'll tell you guys, those Impractical Jokers are funny. Funny. That Joe guy needs to come back. That guy ruined it. Ruined it for everyone. Yeah. Just let me know what you guys are seeing moving. I'm going to go on the watch list here, see what we got. SoFi is still at the top, of course. Peloton's in close second, actually. They're having a pretty good break this morning for them. I think that's actually really good. KO or Coca-Cola running up. Not a bad move there either. I think Warren Buffett loves Coca-Cola, right? Loves the Coca-Cola. Kathy bought millions of shares of Tesla. When was this, Peter? Like this week? Or today? Or something? Uh-oh, now you get... Now I'm worried. It's alright. It's already her, like, most owned stock, so... I'm not sure it can... I'm not sure she could buy too much more that makes a difference. Let's, Damn it, I can't find any news on my Thinkorswim for buying. From today or Friday, but... I'm not doubting you, you know, they buy stuff, like, all the time. So I'm not doubting you, I'm not doubting you. I just can't find it. Of course. Can't find it. What does this say? Folding iPad will launch next year. What's up with all these things folding now? Is it just me, guys? I mean, I'm not sure I like it folding. I don't know. iPad refresh, they're saying? And then it'll fold in half. So what's this guy saying, to buy the stock? I'm lost. Sorry, guys. Keep getting throat keeps getting me. Oh, it was a few weeks back. Okay. That makes sense, Peter. I think I heard about it then. I was thinking maybe something new. But yeah, hey, Tesla's still bouncing off 180. Actually looks pretty good there. There we go. There we go. Looking pretty good. Man, I'm really hoping for a nice pop up this week with the FOMC. I'm actually going to throw out a bit of a poll here, guys. I'm going to do an FOMC poll. Do you... I guess, how should we word this? Will we rise with the FOMC meeting? Will we rise after Powell speaks? That's what we'll say. After Powell speaks. Because, you know, it might get volatile for 30 minutes to a couple hours like it always does, but I'm really just worried about what happens, like, afterwards, for the most part. So, we will rise after Powell speaks. Yes, rise after, I guess. I guess that's how we'll word it. Hard to sometimes figure this out. No pop this time. All right, guys. Throughout the poll here, but go ahead and make your cast your votes, I guess. Yeah, cast your votes. That's what you do. That's what you'll say. Cast those votes. Come on, though, Palantir. We need to get a nice pop back to the upside. Goog is dropping, though, Sean said. Wow. It actually is kind of one of the stocks pushing the market down the most here. I did notice today AMC and Baba are down a lot. Like, Baba's down a shit ton here. That was a big gap, down 5.67%. AMC's down 8%, but, you know, it's AMC, right? Like I'm not too fucked up if they go down, right? Now, Neo, though, Square down, not good to see. Shopify starting to fall off a little. Guys, check out ZM or Zoom. Figured I'd mention this. It's starting to move up here today in a pretty good way. That's actually pretty big. That's a huge move, though. Let's go, Zoom. Gotta love the Zoom. Do you guys remember playing, like, EA Sports or, like, The Sims whenever you were, like, a kid? And you'd, like, log in and it would say, like, Zoom, Zoom. Like, whenever you logged in? Zoom, Zoom, EA Sports. Oh, wow, it's real. Apparently there's sound buttons for it. Are you kidding me? On the website that I use. Uh oh. I don't think this is gonna do it right, guys. Mine, I'm gonna turn it down. Oh wow, that was actually kind of cool. Here, listen to this.
EA Sports. It's in the game.
That was actually, I gotta add that to the soundboard. Yeah, that was pretty cool. Okay. I think you guys know what I'm talking about, though. It says, like, Zoom Zoom on the EA, like, intro. It's kind of neat. I'll tell you guys what, man. I wish I could go back and play, like, The Sims 2 right now. Sounds a little weird. Sims 2. Pretty cool game. Sims 2, Windows 11. Oh. It says it can work. So, huh. Cool. Well, there we go. I know man, used to play that game all the time, like with my aunt and stuff. It's pretty fun. LVS had a gap down. What about EA? You know, we're talking about their game. How do they actually look? Let's see. Not bad. VIX is moving. Uh-oh. VIX. Yeah, I bet it's going to be really moving here soon this week. Wow. Let me check the daily on the VIX real quick. Ooh. Hey, guys, check this out on the VIX, guys. I think you'll love this. We've been eyeing this up for a little while on the VIX, so watch yourselves. It's actually starting to trace this lower portion of this trend. So if this starts to run up, that would indicate maybe that the market's falling, you know, for the most part. Um, hmm. A tough one. I feel like that the VIX is going to start moving up, honestly. I would expect it to stay on this trend. I mean, I would not expect any change off of this trend. It's interesting though how every I guess, you know, 2 to 3 to 4 years, there's like a big breakout on this VIX chart, and it looks like right now we're just like consolidating in this wedge before the next big break occurs. Kind of like what I just drew out, actually. I would actually say that's a very semi well, it's accurate as far as what I think is gonna happen, but I feel like it's a good representation of what could go on. Coinbase is back up in the green, though, as far as going back to today's movement. Coinbase might break that high of day. If it does, maybe watch for the breakout, I should say. Tesla is still trying to test like 180-ish. Looking okay. Let's see. So far, we have 8 votes in the poll. Don't forget to vote, guys. I'm glad no one voted for who is Powell. We have 50% for yes, rise after. 38% says no, no pop this time. So, close voting so far, guys. Make sure you cast your votes. I'm going to dump my life savings into whatever you guys vote for. No, I'm just kidding. That'd be kind of funny, though. Like, you know, I'll throw out a poll and I'll say, you know, we're buying whatever you guys vote. Like, I'll do, like, SPY above 410. Man, had to yawn. Probably because I was up at 3 a.m. last night. Yeah, it was up late. I know somebody saw it. Gotta love it late. Good old Spy. Spy's ripping back up, actually. Having a pretty good day. I bet Meta's moving up. Like from open. Trying to. Trying to fill the gap. It needs to kind of get back up to like 150, 150. Could actually be a pretty good play up into resistance. Carvana's paused due to volatility. Oh, shit. Oh, man, Peter. What is happening here? Not another one of these. What was that big stock from last week? I cannot remember the name of it right now. Man, it was ripping. I know Peter will know it. I just cannot remember that name of that stock from last week that was going nuts. Was it? Damn, I remember people said Wall Street Bets got it, and then a lot of people were like, no, they didn't. Had me laughing. People were like arguing about it. Damn, I can't remember. Lucid was last week. That's right. Lucid. The EVs. Sad. I wish I would have remembered it. Carvana's on fire, though. Yeah, I mean, that is a big move. 9.38. Pause for volatility. It was up 20%. 20%. Like, geez. Look at Zoom, too. I mean, Zoom's even having a nice pop again. Another big green candle there. Gotta love that. Nat posted Lucid up in the chat. Let's see. It's not really doing much today, though. I'll give it that. Nothing crazy. Let's see. SoFi, though. I think SoFi kept going. Yeah, it did. SoFi's actually trying. Oh, man, guys, excuse me. SoFi's trying to run up to that high of day around $6.90 to $7, though. It's actually a pretty big area there. Hopefully, it keeps ripping up with some nice Momo. Nice Momo. We can catch some nice day trades here. Maybe not even on this one, just some of these growth stocks, man. Like Zoom, DraftKings might break 15.30. Like, look at Zoom. I mean, that could have been a great trade. Amazing opportunity. Enphase coming back. Yeah, daily. Ooh, Enphase is down pretty dang low now on that daily chart. It's tempting. It's tempting. I don't really think it's going to fly up too much here, but maybe a couple days before we fall back off. Wow, Zoom actually just rocketed itself up into third place on my watch list as far as percentage gain today. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Goldman Sachs. How's JP Morgan? JP Morgan. Top of the morning to you. No, I don't know. Good old JP. Let's see the 1 minute. Yeah, I mean, not really much momentum here. No solid breakouts or anything like that. So, I don't know. Nothing crazy on the banks. I bet RCL and CCL look better. Yeah, they do. CCL is approaching double top around 11.20. Only 10 cents away from that, actually. That might not be a bad one. I know CCJ should be pretty cool to play as well. Gotta love CCJ. Cameco Corporation. I like it. Pepsi moving up a little bit. Roblox falling off actually a lot. Wow, Roblox is falling with some of these growth plays, I guess. Damn, AMD's falling. My day trade today was Tesla to the downside, guys, under 177.50. So you could have actually caught a great scalp there after open with these big red candles. If you would have played it under right here, would have been the circle. Bam. Play it under there. Boom. Could have been a pretty good play. Now, more realistically, where would you have entered? Probably like, I'd bet the majority of people entered like here or even here probably. You got to try to get it closer to there if you can where the first break occurs, but even if you did enter there, even that move down was pretty good, so I don't know. Pretty good moves on Tesla here today. Definitely not bad. Tessie, one of the best ones out there. My favorite. No, I'm just kidding. It's probably been my favorite though the past couple weeks. Say that. $10 calls looking good. Volume coming in. Damn, it unhalted. I forgot. 925. It's stuck. All right, we're gonna watch this one for a sec. Oh, there we go. It's moving. It's moving. I think it was just stuck there. As far as like stuck, I just mean like the bid and ask were just they were having a bidding war there at like 930 or whatever price it was. Good old Carvana. Yeah, it looks pretty good here. Like it's gonna kind of looks to me like a play where it's gonna move back up. These halts really slow things down, don't they? I'm not sure I really like the halt too much or not. What about you guys? You guys like the halt? Or you guys think that you guys like halts or do you guys think halts are stupid? Because I mean, I feel like it might be good in some sense, but I don't know. A lot of times though, it could be negative, You got a halt. Like if it's halted to the upside, that sucks. But if it's halted to the downside, it could save your ass, eventually. Imagine, like, let's just say you had AMC, right? AMC or GameStop during, like, one of those times whenever it was just dropping off a cliff. I bet, hmm, you know? Yeah, I bet it would have helped. I mean, I don't know. I still think the halts are okay. I wish that they didn't have them, but it is what it is. If there's enough good hype, it'll still go up. It'll still move. It probably hurts the hype on some of these smaller moves, though. Not saying this is a small move, but just in general. There we go. Right around the high of day. $9.52. Come on, let's get a secondary leg. Let's break. Come on, secondary leg. There we go. There we go. Up above the high of day there. Wonder how high we'll get. Hopefully you get up to 10. Hitting $10 would be awesome. Volume's coming in. Looking good. Looking good. I'm glad nobody voted for who's Powell. I'm glad you guys did that. It's awesome. I didn't know what the hell to put down there. Palantir's at 760. Is that the high of day? Okay, it's a little breakout, yeah. Yeah, that's that next resistance there. I actually have, well, I have resistance at 760 anyways. Pretty good. That's a big resistance there. Go back to the Starbucks real quick. Maybe even look at the Dow. Get the denial. Oh, that could be a pretty good trade, like a little rejection. Play some rejection there. Could be good. Yeah. Palantir's 1 minute chart looks so whack. Is there just like not enough volume coming in on Palantir on the 1 minute or something? I know like on low volume stocks this happens. I thought Palantir always had enough volume though, to be honest. It's weird. Like here, look at the 1 minute candles. See what I'm talking about? Not in pre-market. Like let's go to Friday. Yeah. It's like lots of weird movement with it. Maybe it is a lower volume stock. Can't be that low. No way. I'll tell you right now. Yeah, no. Just this 1 minute candle has 59,000 volume, so weird that it has that happen so much. You know, usually on like any stock that has any type of volume like this. Well, actually Wendy's, I was gonna look at them, but they're the same way. SPY moving up off 402, about to just now fill that gap. Watch for 405 as that resistance. Kind of like Cornish said, you know, we're at resistance on a few things right now. His Palantir's at resistance too. Palantir's at resistance. Let's go see what's at the top of the watch list. Whoa, 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 whoa. What happened to Bed Bath & Beyond? Is it just moving up with Carvana? CVNA kept going. Almost $10 now. There we go. Almost up to 10. Come on, Carvana. I saw BBBY, though, exploded. It's just nice and steady to the upside for them today. Take it. We'll take it. Gotta love this movement, guys. Wow. Let's go. Let's go. I love those. Oh. Cornish had the Niners and the Bengals. Ooh, Cornish, you should know better than that. Who always wins? Yep. It's the typical big dogs here. We got Patrick Mahomes. Patty M. Mahomey. I think that's my favorite name for him. Is Patrick Mahomey. I don't know why, but that little play on his last name, the way it's spelled, I love it. I love that one. People probably like cringe when I say that. They're probably like, "Oh, don't say it." Carvana's $10 now. Yeah, 10.09. Holy shit. We're gonna get another pause here. We're gonna be getting another halt very soon. Probably right now. No? I'm guessing that we halt soon. If it rips up a little bit more, I think it will. That's funny. Yeah, the Niners and the Bengals, though, man. You picked them both wrong. Was it like a parlay? Hopefully, well, if it was a parlay, it wouldn't be as bad. At least you would have known early in the day you were done. You wouldn't have even had to watch the second game. It's funny. Those Eagles destroyed them, though, man. I'll tell you. At the end, I thought the Chiefs were going to lose. I really did. I thought the Chiefs were going to lose. Yeah, hey, how do you guys feel about it? Do you guys like the matchup? Do you guys think that the Eagles are going to win? Or is it going to be the Chiefs? I have a feeling it's going to be Mahomes. Another win. Mahomes' year. He's like Tom Brady. He's like the new Tom Brady. Dude's going to go to the bowl every year now. Do the Chiefs still have that Andy Reid guy? Like, do they still have that guy after all the shit that went on with him? Let's see. Andy Reid. Yeah, it was him. Yeah, that's dumb. I know this guy's had a lot of weird shit go on. Holy crap, zoomed in, this guy looks crazy, man. That's what Andy Reid looks like? I didn't ever realize that. He honestly worries me a little bit. I feel like that the FBI would find like weird shit on his computer or something. With the way that guy looks. I know he's had some weird stuff go on in the past, so I don't know what there could be, but thought it was kind of funny. Wow, you guys are mixed on the poll. Nice. Yeah, very close. 15 total votes. I appreciate that. Again, let me know what stocks you guys want to see running. Or, well, what stocks you guys want me to watch. Hopefully they're running if you want them to run. Today's not a big running day, though. I'll give you that. Only a couple like Zoom and BBBY are running. Other than that, not really too much running up today. SoFi had some good news early on. Enphase was up a little bit. Hey, they actually look pretty good here, not gonna lie. Delta. Delta Airlines with the comeback. There we go. I kind of discounted these because it opened, they just sucked, but okay, airlines, I see. Boeing, they gotta be in the, no? Not even in the conversation, okay. Alright, Boeing. Fine, be that way. We don't want your stock anyways, man. Fine. Southwest, though, coming back up pretty good. 1.24% today. Another green candle continuing off of Friday's very nice price action back up. I'll say that was pretty nice overall. Very hot movement. Really hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. That probably sounds terrible when I say it. Actually, you know what? No, it sounds good, guys. I deserve a round of applause. There we go. There we go. What about this? Do you guys know what this is? Oh, shit. Oh, I hope you guys know what that one was. That's funny. TSM moving. Taiwan Semiconductors. Break the high of day. Wow. 94.12. I know they've had some great news lately. But watch 94.12. Pretty big area here. We're honestly right on it. I mean, we are right there. We're breaking. We're breaking. Yep, there it goes. TSM, Sean, wow. Peter says he don't care, but his buddy's a diehard 49ers fan, is just devastated. He says he thinks the Eagles take it. That'd be cool if they took it. I could see him taking it. The Phillies got so close. Now the Eagles are going to come in and snatch it up for Philly. That's what's going to happen. That's the Nickelodeon theme song. Yes, it is, Peter. How'd you know? How did you know that? I kind of like that. That was a pretty good one. Oh gosh. I could get like myself banned if I click some of these buttons by accident. I appreciate you guys being up and at it this morning though on Monday. I appreciate you. Hopefully we have a nice solid week of price action. So far today, it's been pretty whack, I'm not gonna lie. Like we gap down, now we fill the gap, ride it open. It's like, okay, sure, fine. If that's how you want to be. Well, Palantir. It might reject at 760 like Cornish said. Really watch for that. Could be a big area of resistance. Get some good rejection. Love that. Come on, let's reject. Let's reject. Please, let's reject. You know, actually, maybe I shouldn't hope for a rejection. I feel like I should hope for a move up. Rejection might just be too negative. We don't want any negative stuff. Let's just have a breakout. We'll just have a good breakout. A proper breakout. Proper. Whitney says trading TQQQ has been great using RSI. Nice, Whitney. Oh no, just QQQ. My bad. Sorry, everyone talks about TQQQ lately. Yeah. I can see that, Whitney. I'm not a big RSI fan myself, but hey, you know, if you're doing good, you're doing good, right? Huh. Oh, work. Corner says he votes break out. There we go. That's what I was hoping for. Hear something like that. Get a good breakout going. That'd be nice. Come on, Palantir. Let's see that 1 minute chart real quick. Oh, it's still just rejecting just a little bit, just a little. Hmm. Come on now, game. When he says QQQ is better for options. Yeah, I'm sure it is. Using 294 calls. Nice, Whitney. Yeah. Yep. I'm with you with that. 0.80 to 1.30. Is that your range on the RSI or the range on the option? Probably the option. TQQQ can get some crazy movement sometimes. And SQQQ, those two. Depending on which way QQQ is moving, but like you said, those options can play out well. HYG on the daily candle. I see it at major support. Now heading into FOMC. Let's see. HYG on the daily. You see it at major support right now? Yeah, I love scalping QQQ, Whitney. I just don't use RSI, but yeah. Yep. Trading those calls can be great, especially when you're, doing stuff like right around the money or just slightly out of it. I prefer SPY, but it is what it is. Everyone likes their own shit. QQQ, though, I like it. That's one of my favorites, of course. Be a fun trade. Fun thing to trade. That's awesome, though. $50 each way. How many times a day do you usually get a play in, Whitney? Like, do you usually get like 5 plays in on average? Or, like how many plays do you usually take a day with that RSI strat? I'm a little curious. Sometimes the RSI can go all over, so I don't know. That's why I'm asking, just to clarify a little bit more. Major support right now, though, on HYG. I don't know. Like, it is on support, but the way that it's, like, holding this, I don't know. It's not something that seems like it's going to hold up to me very well. Could. Now, the issue is this is like a bond ETF, so... Yeah, this one's going to be a FOMC meeting disaster here, yeah. Major support heading into FOMC. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm seeing. We're just like right around this major level. I feel like we'll get like a bigger move once the FOMC happens, of course. Yeah, Whitney, I think that's just luck. Or you know what I mean, like, you know what I'm saying, right? Like, if I only stuck with stocks that I thought I was, only winning on, I'd probably be messed up. I'm glad you're winning though now. Maybe I hope that whatever strat you're using is working good. I hope it works out on. If you're winning on QQQ, you should be able to do fine with a lot of things, to be honest. Like, really. You could almost trade, like, NVIDIA the same as QQQ. Says she buys $4 out of the money each morning and let them ride. Yeah, not bad. $4 out? That's good. Yeah, I know. I don't know. I see everybody fail with RSI, so just be careful with it, Just be careful. I feel like over the longer term, it's something that if you're just using RSI, I'm sure you're going to be using other stuff, but that you didn't say. But I know that the RSI is I know that is going to be a indicator that I've seen probably more people lose on that than any other uh, any other indicator. So just remember that, guys, while she says this stuff. I've seen more people lose on that indicator than any other one. With MACD coming in a close second. MACD is a very close second to RSI. I don't know why, but everybody always hops into RSI and MACD, those two. Especially newer traders. Now I know Whitney's not new, but I just mean newer traders love MACD and they love RSI, which is funny. Oh, okay. Well, now you say that. Market internals, okay. Next support level for Amazon. Yeah, I like trading like ranges and stuff like that a little bit better, but I'm sure you do that stuff too. I just the are some of those indicators I just Amazon really falling off here. Look at $100. Wow. Damn, look at 100, Dina. Yeah, watch 100 even, and then 99.50 under 100 should be pretty big. Maybe I'll even place a little level here. Let's see, 99.50 to 100. Looking pretty good. Yeah, personally, I honestly don't use any indicators, so I use zero. So I don't know. I don't know. Over my 7 years, I have never found any that truly help. Over the long term, they all lost for me. Most of them. If it was anything like that, but the strat might work. Winnie, you might have to make us a damn video about the strat, given how complex it is, or it can be. I know there's other people who have videos out about it, of course, and yada yada yada. I I won't recommend it though myself. I just I don't really like it. Whenever we looked into it, we just I don't know. We don't think it'll work out, but hey, I hope it works for you. You know, just different strokes for different folks. You know, different strokes for different folks. I'm just into price action pretty much, trying to catch the momentum. Straight price action, really. Looking for big areas of buyers and sellers with price action usually is all I'm into nowadays. Besides, longer term trading, which is foolproof. That's what I love. A lot of people sleep on the long term trading, guys. I'm telling you. Long term trading is key. People sleep on it. They sleep on it hard. Averaging in for the longer term and getting good shares of companies you like and companies that should do well and companies that have good fundamentals and good numbers, man, that is going to be so important for the market. I'm actually going to end this poll. I'm going to make a new poll here about indicators here. Do you... Oh, I can't add enough options. That's right. I was going to add in a whole bunch of indicators on here and see what people voted for that they use. I think I can only add 4 options. Let me see. S, S, S. Yeah, only 4. Dang it. If I could add in, like, sticks, that'd be a cool question. That would actually be awesome to know, like, which indicators were used most. I wonder if there's, like, some statistics about that somewhere. That would actually be pretty cool to see. Not just for any weird reason, just I just think it'd be cool to see. I wonder what I wonder what like the most and least populars would be. Least populars, I'm wondering. Let's see, I'm thinking. Hey, let's go to the indicators on here and see like what I would say like I would probably say some type of like oscillator is probably like the least used shit. Least used indicators probably oscillators or something. I don't know. I have no idea what the most least used one would be. Let's see. Let's type in oscillator just to see what comes up. Here we go. We'll do a community script. Whoever has the most. 11,000. OBV oscillator. 10,000 on this one. Elliott wave. We'll do Elliott wave. This just looks like RSI. It's not what I thought this was going to be at all. Not what I was thinking at all, guys. Now I can't get it to go away. There we go. Ah, some pretty cool ones. I kind of like this. I like our script, to be honest. That's really all I ever use. I like getting the overbought and oversold labels. Those things are pretty cool to have sometimes. On like the 1 hour chart. I like it because you can change it too. Like if I go to the settings, confidence level, you could change it to 1. It'll make it a little bit tighter. Yeah, the 1 hour is pretty accurate actually with it. Kind of like that. Pretty good. Okay. Hopefully we get to an overbought level sometime soon. Maybe start to dip down. I love looking at those. But again, that's kind of more like a price action indicator, not necessarily it's not necessarily the same as like most indicators, I'd say. Yeah, there are a lot of unheard of ones. That's why I was on this community thing trying to find some cool ones. You know, like here, let's see editors picks, the top ones. Here, let's go see the top ones. Yeah, like squeeze momentum indicator. See, like, yeah, like look at this. Interesting. Yeah, again though, this is like just looking at it offhand, I can just tell that like looking at this, I can tell that there's a lot of times where a lot of retail traders probably get screwed trading that. SPY breaking down. Oh shit, it is. It's rejecting. So we filled the gap this morning, right to resistance. Now we're rejecting and falling back off. Oh no. Not good. Not good, not good. Down under 402, heading towards 400. Sean says SPY getting the woodshed. I love that, Sean, every time you say that. What does that mean? Like, when you say this? What does getting the woodshed mean, guys? Like, I need to know. I need to know. I gotta hear it. I gotta hear it for myself from the masters here. What does getting the woodshed mean? SPY puts. I'll tell you what, I really like that rejection there, right at 405. That was pretty good there. Pretty good, right around that gap that we filled. Yeah, Tesla had a huge rejection. You know, I got to go into the discussion chat and hype myself up there because, man, that was pretty fire. Yeah, I had that play on Tesla in the day trading channel with the big resistance at 180 and fell under 177.50. Ended up being a great play to the downside. As long as your stop loss was somewhere with Tesla above 180, pretty good. Palantir is really rejecting though again. I like that rejection. You know, me and Sean have been eyeing this up all morning. Oh, it's taken to the woodshed for a beating. Okay. That's kind of what I thought, but I see. Wow, DraftKings triple topped at 1530. Thanks a lot, DraftKings. Thanks a lot. Now I'm kind of like into the, like looking at the indicators today just for fun. Let's throw on the RSI just for fun. Shit. Clicked the wrong button. No, I don't know what I did. Okay. Dang. I don't remember the RSI looking like this. I guess I'm just too zoomed out. That's all. That's all it is. What the hell is up with these? Oh, it's just giving me when it, oh, I see. When it crosses above 70. I guess that's what they're saying. The -2 and +2. Hell. I'm just guessing that that means it's crossing above the 70 or something, right? Gotta be. Oh, I mean, it makes sense to me. It makes sense looking at what goes on when these things get triggered. It looks like it's when the RSI crosses the whatever down here. I haven't used this in so long, but I know exactly like how most people do it. I see what they're doing here. Yeah, they're just waiting. So every time we get a little cross with like the tan line crossing the purple line is where you get a indicator there. I know a lot of people trade with this in this way. Seems like it could, you know, you could catch some good trades with this type of thing. It's just not for us. It's just not for me, I should say. Not for my it's not our cup of tea, but pretty cool though. So that's RSI. Haven't used it in forever, like I said, so give me a pass on not knowing some of the shit. Corner says I use MACD a little on the 1 minute. The only thing to look at is the crossover, and a lot of times it's too late. Yeah. Crossover, let's see. The 1 minute, he said. Look at it on our Palantir. So by crossover on the MACD, I can't remember, or Sean, is it whenever the blue line crosses the orange line here? Which, let me see how they have these designated. Blue is MACD, okay. All right, so when the blue line crosses the signal line, so a lot of times it's too late. Tesla's getting smacked, Sean said. TSLA. Getting smacked. Getting smacked. It really is, isn't it? Really hitting off rejection at like 180 or 180.50. Damn. Big rejection there. 405 rejection though on SPY. Still watching that. QQQ. One of my favorites down there. Whitney was killing it on this one. That'd be cool if we fell under 291.50 here on this. Make for a decent move. 291.50. I like it. Hey guys, give me just 1 second. Gotta grab a quick drink. I'll be right back, and then we'll keep going on the stream here for a minute. We'll go a little bit extra today. How about that? We'll go extra. Let's go. We're riding into battle strong, guys. All right, sorry guys, had to get a quick drink. Man, I will say this. Hey, you guys got me into coffee. You guys, coffee drinkers out here. You guys should let me know what your favorite coffee is. I'm gonna actually do a poll here. What's your what's your drink of preference when trading? This is gonna be funny. Oh my gosh, I like this. Uh, water slash healthy will be number one. Number two will be energy drinks. Number three will be coffee. Number four would be the oh, this is I hope I don't get in trouble for this one. All right, sent it off. Check out the poll for your choice of your drinking preferences. See that SPY ripping down though, moving down towards support. Dina says coffee is life. LOL. Starbucks espresso. Nice. Nice stuff. That's awesome. Yeah, and guys, let me know what kind of coffee is good here in the chat. You know, I want to check out some coffees. Might even buy one today, you know, I'll say. Might even buy a coffee. I've been making it a little bit lately, and I've been getting out of the energy drinks. I'm sure coffee saves money anyways. Coffee's probably more economical. I can see it being a thing. Hmm. Need some better movement here, man. I'm not liking this. I'm not liking this. Whitney says Pete's coffee is awesome. Let's check it out. Pete's. Check it out here while we do this. Pete's coffee. It actually looks like a nice little cafe. I like that. Black Rifle. Does Pete's make Black Rifle? It's weird that popped up. Oh wow, these have some pretty cool. Looks like Starbucks. Pete. This kind of looks like some nice coffee, I'm not gonna lie. Just based off the package. Big Bang, I like it. Major Dickinson's blend? Okay. Alright, Major Dickinson. That's my guy. I'm just kidding. I don't even know who that is, guys. Watch it be like some really bad guy. Oh man. That would suck. It was a major in the army. Yeah, I'm sure he's or in the military. I'm sure he's gonna be mad at us. Reverse osmosis. Ooh. I know what that is. Reverse osmosis. Whitney, that's wow, there we go. Isn't reverse osmosis where they filter it out better by like getting it in a pool and then heating it up and then like the condensation that like goes away? That's like the reverse osmosis, isn't it? Is that how that works? Let's see. Reverse osmosis. Guess I should just look it up. Maybe I'm wrong. I'm probably wrong. Hey, let's go. Keisha said, "Oh, I thought you meant she wanted to chat in here." That's funny. Made it in time to hit the thumbs up button. Nice, Keisha. Thanks for joining up today. Hey, I appreciate you. Weren't you here at the beginning, Keisha? You weren't here at the beginning. Oh, man. Yeah. Wow, it's your daughter's birthday. Well, hey, happy birthday to your daughter. Let's go. We're gonna have to play her the Mexican song here. My favorite thing. Mexican birthday song. Here you go. Ah, here it is. Happy birthday to Keisha's daughter. Let's go.
Hola. You! It's your birthday. We're here to party and sing to you. He's from me. Hope you are bueno. The fun will reign.
Yeah, I feel you though, Keisha. Hey, don't feel obligated to come in here. Go be with your daughter today. Go do what you gotta do. Worry about us tomorrow, Keisha. It's no problem. If I would have ended at the normal time, you might not even got to join. So it's all good. Dark roast is very low acid too, and their decaf doesn't have formaldehyde. Okay, formaldehyde. Fuck, that sounds like some rough stuff there, man. Formaldehyde. Ugh. Nice. I might have to pick me up a. I'm gonna add this to the cart, guys. Oh, I'm not even signed in. Oh, well, I'll have to do it later, but yeah, I'm gonna. It's only $10, dude. It actually ain't bad. Good price, I'd say. I'd say it's a good price, right? Right? I don't know any brands of coffee though, so hey, I'll just try it. I like that it has the reverse osmosis and all that. Sounds really good. Sounds like some nice healthy stuff. Oh, she couldn't even hear that. Oh shit. Hey, that's good. At least you'll be able to go back and show her it. That's funny. Sean says up 40% on SPY puts. Hee hee. Oh yeah. Good for you, Sean. Good for you. No, I'm just kidding. I'm glad you're playing that rejection. That's good. Wow, I never knew that's how coffees were decaffeinated. That is something else. Wow. Mother duty comes first. Hell yeah. Wow, she's in the Air Force. Okay. She's an officer in the Air Force. Nice. Okay. I see you, Keisha. That's awesome. Good stuff. Congrats to her and happy birthday. Hopefully she has an awesome day. What happened to SPY? I know. Gap down today, Keisha. 408. I'm looking here at the 1 day chart. Here's what I'll say. I just was gonna try something stupid, but so there's a big resistance here that I've had posted around. Well, I had it around 408 to 410 is what I kept telling people, and we got really close. So I don't want to be that guy, you know. I don't want to be that guy who's like, oh, I said this level, you know. But I will say, like over the past couple weeks, we were talking, especially last week. Mike would ask me in a lot of the videos, like, what overhead resistances are we watching? I kept saying 408 to 410. I said 408, but I see 410 up there is the bigger one. Oh, I don't want to be that guy, but man, it's so weird. We rejected right off of it, just couldn't continue up again. I think the big thing is just these stocks like Tesla are just smacking off resistance along with so many other stocks. Oh, Sean, I see your message now. That's funny. Get in the shed. Tesla's getting the woodshed today, I'll tell you that. Tesla's getting the woodshed. That's gonna be my new saying is the woodshed now. Or the wood chipper. They're more like getting the wood chipper here today, the way this is going. Peter goes, I'll be that guy. I told you so. We were actually talking about this in last night's video. Mike started mentioning it was overextended, just the market in general, and I was like, yeah, you know, it really is. Yeah. Kathy Woodshed, yeah. That's actually a pretty That's actually not a bad name. Yeah, it's crazy. Tesla's really fallen 168.90 under 170. Like what the? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Seriously, that's what a crazy way this is working here. Wow. Man, that's a big jump down. Terrible movement. Come on, Las Vegas Sands. Sorry, guys. Something came up in the background for a second. Hopefully it's getting resolved here. Cool. All right. I am back. Sorry, guys. Man, that spy is now bouncing off support in a pretty big way now. So now we're hitting support. So who would have known, right? Now we're hitting the support. Wow, that's pretty nuts, though. Dallas Feds guy said that the recession is on the way. Like, what the? How could the recession be on the way? Is that even possible? Yeah, hey, Corbin hit me with the thumbs up. I'd appreciate you guys. How about some protein shakes? I like it. That's funny. Bought a QQQ call here. She's still holding the day put. Nice. Okay. So she just bought a QQQ call. Okay. I'll do a little we'll do a little line for Whitney down here. Well, not a line like that, guys. No, I'm just joking. I'm just joking. We're not doing those type of lines. Come on now. We can't do those. I'm worried about drinking too many energy drinks, let alone doing too many lines with the 10 votes and everybody's voting for coffee. I'm surprised. Yeah, you know, I should have put the protein shakes. I didn't think about that. You know, I should have. I was trying to think of a fourth option, and I was like, you know, it'd be kind of funny to put the stiff stuff. Keisha goes, is that why things dropped? Ooh. Yeah, it's dropping because of Whitney. No, I'm just joking. No, man, I can't tell you why it's dropping right now. I think that it's dropping right now because of Tesla rejecting and just everything's rejecting down off of that big movement last week. Whitney says market internals pointing towards more sell-off, so be careful. Yeah, I could see that, Whitney, so I'm glad it's doing that. I'm glad it's pointing there. Peter. Yeah, yeah. We're like Jordan Belfort now. That's good, though. That's good that the internals are pointing that way as well with all these rejections. And yeah, that's good. I feel like that down is the way to go here for the next day or two. Yeah, everything is overbought, like Whitney said. That's the big thing right now. Everything's overbought. And then Friday, we just had that big jump. It just pushed us into like super overbought territory, you know? So that's kind of what I feel about it. Tesla's still faking, Ant says. TSLA. Yeah, it is. It's going to fall under like 168 here soon. Oh, falling. Yeah. Yes, it is falling. That's for sure. We'll have to see how low it can get. I just feel like that over the next couple days, the market just might consolidate a little bit. You know, we have this big interest rate decision coming up at 2 p.m. Eastern time on Wednesday, so watch out for that. And then Big Daddy Powell is going to speak 30 minutes after this. Kind of crazy. Kind of crazy, actually. Kind of crazy. Hang on, guys. I'm trying to open up a file here in the background. I just can't find it. There it is. Hmm. All right, guys. Well, hey, I appreciate you guys joining up today. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Seriously, I do. Thanks for joining up, Whitney, Keisha, Ant, Corbin, Bravo, Sean. I appreciate you guys. Peter, Purdy, Viva, J Deep, Warren J, Martha, Corbin, Jamie. I'm trying not to forget anyone here. Cornish. Watch out for Big Daddy later in the week, guys. It's going to be crazy. Dina, can't forget you, or Bravo. Have a great rest of your day, though, guys. Seriously. Whitney says, looking to buy Tesla around 155 TSLA. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's pretty far down there. Okay. Well, actually, it's not that far. Just down to the movement of just a couple days ago, but it would be a pretty big intraday drop to get down there. Hopefully, it keeps moving down. I could see it going down a little more. So, hey, thanks for joining up, guys. Sorry, got a little bit busy here. I appreciate you. Have a great rest of your day. As always, I'll be in the Discord. And, hey, we'll be live later in the week for Powell and the FOMC meeting as well. So, let's go. We'll be live during all of that. So, if you guys want to check it out, we'll be right here. You can check it out right here on the StockedUp Live YouTube channel. We'll have the market live with Powell side by side. So, join up. I appreciate you. Let's go. Let's post those profits in the Discord today, and I will talk to you guys later. Have a good one.